MDCAT की तैयारी करते हुए अभी से ही ensure one thing that you have a good review book जिसके अंदर हर subject की high yield चीज़ें are compiled together, because towards the end of your preparation you will only have enough time to go through one single book. इसी सिलसिले में I have been trying to find a good review book to recommend, and one of the books that really caught my attention is this book called National MDCAT, written by Dogar Brothers. Now what makes this book stand out is the way it's been compiled together. It has extensive review notes in it with colored pictures and diagrams, and it's been written in a bullet point format for your convenience. Secondly, हर chapter के end पे you're gonna find a bunch of questions with explanation so that you have an idea कि उस chapter का सवाल आना कैसे है, उसको attempt करना कैसे है. And then this book has QR codes in it which if you scan, तो basically you can access MDCAT video lectures for free as well. Now you can basically order this book sitting in your home without worrying for the delivery fees because it's for free. So investing in this book is going to go a long way in your preparation because the way it's been written, the stuff it contains, the pictures and diagrams it has, and the ease of studying it is all unparalleled. So head over to dogarbrothers.com and book your notes right away and incorporate them in your routine as soon as you can. Thank you.